Morning. Traditional markets feel toppy. From many angles or data points, a lot of assets are just overextended or at high valuations. Now that doesn't mean they can't go up further and for a long time, but just that the impetus to go higher might be weaker and the impetus to go lower might be stronger. This week, investors got a lot of results from companies reporting earnings for the second quarter, and the results were good, but stocks dropped still. It seems that inflation fears are the main driver and that it's pushing people to reconsider price, risk profile, and allocation. Along with stocks, bond yields fell as well, while gold, the inflation hedge, rose. Now, based on the above, one would expect Bitcoin to rise as well. It didn't. It's just fascinating to see that the range-bound narrative annihilates any impact of other macro events, so the isolation deepens. But this reminds me of the summer of last year. Equities were making new highs while Bitcoin was the most boring asset around, trading sideways. And then we know what happened after the consolidation was done. DeFi pumped, Ethereum rose, and then Bitcoin went on to lead a massive bull run. Now, on the session, Bitcoin fell about 3% from 32,800 to 31,800. The dominance fell, so alts gained market share slightly. Among the better performers, Kusama, Maker, and Stacks, it's always Stacks these days. Aave, Cardano, and Comp also showed some outperformance relative to Bitcoin, but even if they're down in dollar terms. Now, away from price actions, there's a flurry of one-line news which I want to list out. 1. JC Flowers is set to acquire 30% stake in LMAX in a bid to accelerate growth in FX and crypto markets. As expected, Paraguay has drafted a bill that would set regulation around Bitcoin and digital assets to enable commercial and individual level transactions. So we need to keep track of those kind of news. They're slow, but they build up crypto infiltrating global finance. A great chart from Glassnode also shows the hash rate starting to recover, and this is a natural result of Chinese miners stopping operation and then reopening them elsewhere, or other players just buying the machines for themselves. PayPal just increased the crypto purchase limit to $100,000 per week. I'm guessing they're seeing massive demands. And then lastly, Square is also in the loop, rumored to create a new company focused on non-custodial, permissionless, and decentralized financial services with a focus on Bitcoin. Make of that what you will. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, please subscribe. It helps with the visibility. Also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.